Which cold brew coffee maker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew 1 quart. First up is the Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew coffee maker in a 1 quart size. This little gem caught my eye with its sleek design and a price tag of just $13.19. If you want effortless, cafe-quality cold brew at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Tekia maker delivers smooth, less acidic coffee, which is perfect if you're tired of bitter brews. The fine mesh filter ensures that no grounds sneak into your cup, letting you enjoy rich, clean coffee every time. Plus, it features a patented airtight lid that locks in aroma and freshness, which means your coffee can stay flavorful for days, a real game changer for those busy mornings. With over 67,400 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many others have found success with this product. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small. Here's the thing though, if you're just brewing for yourself or a couple of friends, this size is actually pretty convenient. But if you're hosting a brunch, you might want to consider a larger model. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use option that produces great coffee without the fuss. Skip this one if you usually brew for a crowd or need larger quantities. At this price, you get solid value for your money. Now, if the size of the 1 quart bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a bigger capacity. Product number 2, Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew 2 quart. Next on the list is the Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew coffee maker in a 2 quart size, retailing for $27.48. If you want a little extra capacity for those hot summer days, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about this 2 quart model is that it offers the same cafe-quality brews as its smaller sibling, but in a larger quantity. The airtight lid keeps your coffee fresh, while the fine mesh filter ensures no bits of grounds get through. This means you can enjoy smooth, delicious coffee without having to brew multiple batches, which is a huge time saver. With the same impressive 4.6-star rating and over 67,400 reviews, it's clear this model is a favorite. Now, some buyers mention that it can be a bit bulky in smaller fridges. But let's be honest, if you're cold brewing for a crowd, a little extra fridge space is a small price to pay for great coffee. This is perfect for you if you often have friends over or like brewing larger batches of cold brew. Skip this one if you have limited fridge space or are brewing just for yourself. At this price, you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a little styles. Product number 3, Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew 1 quart stone. Coming in at number 3 is the Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew coffee maker in a stylish stone color, priced at $24.99. If aesthetics matter to you, this one might just steal the show. What sets this model apart is not just its looks, but it still packs all the same great features as the other Tekia models. The fine mesh filter and airtight lid are still present, ensuring you get that smooth, less acidic coffee. The stone color adds a bit of flair to your kitchen, making it feel more like a cafe. And with the same high rating and positive reviews, it's a solid choice. However, I found some complaints about the stone color showing stains more easily. Here's the thing though, a quick wash after each use keeps it looking fresh, so it's not really a deal breaker unless you're super picky about your kitchenware. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish cold brew maker that still delivers on functionality. Skip this one if you prefer something that's easier to clean or if you're not a fan of light colors. At this price point, you're getting a great mix of style and performance. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, let's talk about the next contenders. Product number 4, Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew 2 quart white. Next up is the Tekia Deluxe Cold Brew coffee maker in a 2 quart size, but this time in a sleek white finish, priced at $34.99. If you want a clean, modern look, this could be your pick. This model maintains all the same great features we've come to love from Tekia. The fine mesh filter ensures you get smooth coffee, while the airtight lid keeps it fresh. The larger capacity means you can brew more, so it's perfect for those who enjoy sharing their cold brew with others or want to have a stash ready for the week. It's got the same excellent rating and thousands of reviews backing it up. Now, there were some concerns about the white color being prone to stains and scratches. But honestly, if you take care of it, it'll remain a stylish addition to your kitchen. It's a small trade-off for great functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a larger capacity and love a modern aesthetic. Skip this one if you're worried about maintenance with the white finish. For the price, it's a fantastic option for serious cold brew lovers. Finally, if you're looking for something a little different, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, QHH Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Last but not least, we have the QHH Cold Brew Coffee Maker, a 64 Oz mason jar pitcher priced at $19.99. If you're looking for versatility and a different style, this one might be your best bet. What I love about this maker is its large capacity and the heavy-duty glass design. It comes with a stainless steel filter that really does a great job of keeping your coffee grounds out. Plus, if you want to brew tea or lemonade, this pitcher has you covered too. The airtight and leak-proof lid means no spills in the fridge, and it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 4,200 reviews, it's clear this product has found its fans. However, I did see some warnings about not pouring boiling water directly into it. Here's the thing though, if you stick to cold brewing like most of us do, this shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-purpose pitcher and enjoy brewing different types of beverages. Skip this one if you need a dedicated coffee maker for everyday use. At this price, you get a lot of features without breaking the bank. So to recap, we've looked at 5 solid cold brew coffee makers. The Takia 1 quart is perfect for solo brewers, the 2 quart models offer extra capacity, and the stylish options in stone and white add flair to your kitchen. Finally, the QHH mason jar is versatile and budget-friendly. Each has its strengths, so pick one that fits your needs best.